Appeal, which affirmed the judgment of the tribunal voiding his election. On January the 9th, the Apex Court heard and reserved judgment on the appeals filed by the Governor of Plateau State, Caleb Mutfwang, seeking to overturn the judgment of the Court of Appeal that nullified his election. The court will also deliver judgment in the appeal filed by the candidate of the People's Democratic Party across Rivers State, Sandy Ojang Ono, seeking to nullify the election of Basi Otu as governor of Cross River State. Meanwhile, police authorities in Kano State have assured residents of safety during and after the Supreme Court judgment. The Commissioner of Police, UsainiGumel, gave the assurance during an interaction with journalists. TVC News correspondent Ibrahim Issa reports.
Hours to the day set aside by the Supreme Court to deliver judgment on the Kano governorship dispute. Joint security agencies are moving around town in a show of force ahead of the day. Also, security chiefs in the state converge on the Kano State Police Command headquarters to strategize. During an interactive session with the media, the Kano State Commissioner of Police, UsainiGumel, urges residents to carry out their lawful businesses without any fear.
Security is guaranteed for the people of the state. Criminals that want to take advantage of celebration should change their mind, else we will be after them. We have the capacity to do that.
The Commissioner of Police charges parents to caution their words against engaging in any form of protests or celebrations or any act that could jeopardize the peace of the state.
Parents should also talk to their children not to be used by anybody. Kano is ours. We should not allow intruders to come in and spoil the long existing peace that everyone has been enjoying.
The police and other security agencies have signed a peace pact with political party leaders in the state ahead of the judgment. They are hopeful that the parties and their members would adhere strictly to the signed agreement. Ibrahim Issa, TVC News, Kano.
Joins me on the news to discuss the preparation ahead of the Supreme Court judgment. Ibrahim, talk to us about the mood at this moment in Kano State.
Well, Kano, so far so good, has been relatively peaceful, right from the time of the tribunal, moving down to the time when the Court of Appeal ruled on the matter, and now on the eve of the day that the Supreme Court is expected to rule on the Kano governorship dispute. Kano has been relatively peaceful, and as you have listened from the report played, the Commissioner of Police has assured that the security of life and property is guaranteed, and he also assured that the people of Kano should come out tomorrow and conduct their local businesses. We have witnessed relative peace since the tribunal, the Court of Appeal, and today the eve of the Supreme Court judgment. So the assurances given by the Commissioner of Police is to residents and also those deeply affected that they should remember if they're talking about the politicians and particularly the leaders of political parties, that they should remember that they have signed a peace pact with security agencies and that there wouldn't be any protest or rather any celebration, whoever wins or whoever loses tomorrow at the Supreme Court.
And tomorrow is a Supreme Court judgment for a lot of states. One can only imagine how apprehensive supporters are, because whatever decision is made tomorrow is final and cannot be changed. And so talk to us about the arrangements being made by security agencies Because we see on the screen there that show of force. But what's the arrangement being made to ensure that there is no breakdown of law and order?
Yes, the Commissioner of Police had assured that at strategic locations from 6 p.m. today, there would be presence of police and other security agencies in the state. So that's one of the strategies. We had an interaction with the CP earlier today. He couldn't tell us all the arrangements he had, but he had guaranteed that there is going to be adequate security, adequate protection of lives and property in Kano tomorrow and days after the Supreme Court judgment.
Ibrahim, thank you so much for that update. We're following that development. We'll see how things turn out tomorrow. Our correspondent Ibrahim is live for us in Kano.